Good evening, Facebook family. This is a 2-ton heat pump we just took out. I know Cody last week showed you the tight spaces that we work in. Today I just wanted to show you some of the terrain that we have to cover when taking out old systems and installing new. Camera's not going to do it justice, but this is a pretty steep, soggy pathway here, if you can call it that. Coming all the way down through here. And then we had to haul it all the way up these stairs and set it right over there. And that's our newly installed 2-stage, 2-ton carrier heat pump. Mind you, we did this with 2 people up that elevation and across that slope. Y'all have a great night. Thank you.